Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in our session we are going to discuss about the history of Java. In my last video I have discussed about what is Java, why are we use Java, what is the main features of Java we have. Now currently today in this video we are going to discuss about the Java history. Who is the inventor of Java? In which year Java has been invented? Okay, so this is a long story we have Java in the Java history. Okay, so first in the Java history, James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton first created the Java in the year of 1990. Before that, I will tell you, as we have already discussed about that, what is Java. What is Java? In my last video, I discussed Java is basically a high-level, class-based, object-oriented, and platform-independent programming language. In my last video, I have already discussed. If you have not seen my last video, so please check my last video related to the Java introduction. Okay, so Java is basically a high-level, object-oriented, class-based, and platform-independent programming language. Now, so let's come to the history. Who created Java? Okay, so Java history is a long way. Like first, when any programming language has been created, so that was not named as Java. Let me discuss about that. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton. These are the three friends, three colleagues. Okay, they worked in Sun Microsystems. Currently, the name acquired by Oracle. So these three are the friends, and they wanted to create a programming language. Okay, so in the year of 1990s or early 1990s, they have created a programming language. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton. In the year of 1990s, they have created a language, programming language. They have created a programming language. What is the name? What is the name of that programming language? Okay, so in the year of 19, they have created a programming language. Programming language. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of that programming language? Basically, they have created the language for support the digital devices. Digital devices like TV, like set-top box, etc. To purpose the work for TV and set-top box, one digital or to support the digital devices, these three persons in the year of 1990s or early 1990s, they have created a programming language. What is the name of that programming language? The programming language name is GreenTalk. GreenTalk. Why this name? Why this name GreenTalk? Because these three persons, they have a team. The team called is Green Team. Green Team. So obviously, if they are working together, so obviously there should be one name. The team name is Green Team. Then they decided that they will give some name of their language, so that's why they give it the name GreenTalk. So GreenTalk, first name is a GreenTalk. Okay, and if we think about something like that, text, for the text file, what is the extension? .txt. For PDF, we have extension .pdf. For image file, we have extension like .png, .jpg. Same like, to open the Java, there should be some extension, or to open the GreenTalk, not Java. In the year 1990s, they have not say that this is a Java language. They told that this is a GreenTalk. The language is called as GreenTalk. Okay, and the extension of that GreenTalk is .gt. This is the extension .gt extension. Okay, file extension. Now, the first name was GreenTalk. Now later they decide that they will change the name. They will change the name from Green Top to Oak. They have changed the name to Oak. Oak. Why Oak? Because in the office, so basically I told you that they have worked on Sun Microsystems. So in the outside of that office, James Gosling saw that there is one tree. One tree is there. The tree name is oak tree. Oak tree. First is come from oak tree. There is a tree, oak tree. Oak is basically a tree. So this tree is the national tree in Germany, France, Romania, USA. So basically the name oak was used by the Gosling. Okay. To see one oak tree that is outside of his office. Okay. Now, this oak tree is the national tree of USA, Germany, France, Romania, etc. etc. So that's why so name comes from green top to oak. Now language name is oak. But immediately they noticed that they had to name it. Immediately they noticed that already one trademark is present in the market. The trademark is called as Oak Technologies. Oak Technologies. Already this trademark name as Oak is already present in the market. So they decided that if there is already a trademark in the market, then we have to change the name. So immediately they thought some name. Again they are thinking some name, that what should be the name, They was thinking, and few names come to their minds, like DNA, Silk, Java, Ruby, etc. etc. So these names comes to that James Gosling mind. Then they thought that what should be the appropriate name for the language, because oak already present in the market, and they thought that they will change the name from green top to others. So that's why some unique name they were thinking. Okay, they were searching for some unique name, some powerful name. Okay, now then they decide that they will give the name as Java. The name as Java. Why? Why Java? Actually, Java is a coffee. Java is a coffee. One coffee name is Java. Java coffee. We can call it as Java coffee. Java coffee. Java coffee. The name is Java coffee. Why? Why the name comes? Why they decided to keep the name Java? Because James Gosling, maybe that time he was drinking the Java coffee, one coffee, and the coffee name is Java. So that's why he thought that he will keep the name as Java. So in the year 1995, they have introduced the name as Java. And also Java is very powerful name, and also there is no trademark present in the market name as Java, and also this name is unique. That's why they thought that they will give some name as Java. Okay, so in the year 1995, they released the first Java version, that is called as JDK Beta. JDK Beta version. Okay, JDK Beta version. Why JDK? What is JDK? JDK and the full form is Java Development Kit. In my next video, I will discuss about JDK. JDK, JRE and JVM. Three things are there. JDK, JRE and JVM. In my upcoming video, I will discuss. But JDK means Java Development Kit. Suppose you have a car and you want to start the car. So that's why what is the necessary thing? The car key should be present. Until you have the key, you cannot start the car. Same form, whenever you are running the Java, then one kit should be there. Okay, that kit is Java Development Kit. So first in the year of 1995, Java was introduced. Okay, so James Gosling, 1995, in the year of 1995, James Gosling created the Java language. So James Gosling is the father of Java. Why James Gosling? Because The whole things came from first James Gosling's mind. Okay, they are the supporter, they are the co-worker. First this language is first James Gosling is introduced. So that's why James Gosling is the father of Java. In the year of 1995, first Java was released. Okay, first Java version was JDK beta version. Now, day by day, some new features has been added like that way. So JDK, then they released JDK 1.0 in the year of 1996. Then they have released JDK 1.1 in the year of 1997. Like that, current version may be JDK 27. The now latest version. This is the latest version. Okay, maybe after a few months, now JDK 28 will be there, JDK 29 will be there. Okay, so by that way, JDK has been introduced to the market, and current days, Java is a very popular language. Lots of features we have Java already. In my last video, I have discussed. So Java is a very popular language. So the total Java history. Whenever you are learning any language, obviously you have to know the history first. Where it comes, when it comes, who is the father of that, in which year that has been introduced. So everything comes to the Java history. Okay. So I think this is very simple, very straightforward. It's just like a story, and also you understand everything. So okay, guys. So if you have any doubt, please comment me. If you like my video, one thumbs up. Share this video to your nearest friends. So see you in the next videos with some interesting topic of Java. Thank you.